All right, today we're gonna bring a sonic. It's a sonic whistle, pretty much. It's immune to humans, so that means we can't even hear this. If you guys can see, it has it right in the front. All right, it has speakers too, also because it's also a warning system. All right, so to operate this is very simple. You got your noise here, flashlight. All right, and then you got your the actual sonic that you send out. Now, different levels, minus all the way to plus. Turn it on. It's a button on the side of it. If you just hold it down, the LCD screen is gonna light up. Noise. You can hear the noise. Level 1, and then you can go higher too, to higher level, so they could hear it. And then you have the flashlight, all right, but you could turn it off. Flashlight. All right, now we're not going to do the sonic, but it's dogs can hear it. So you're walking your dogs at night, you're gonna and then somebody wants to bite you or something, just use this. Now, different levels, like I said, and then you can lock all the features. So you could have them on, keep them on, like, for example, keep your flashlight on. You can put this in your pocket, have it on all the time, so you just get it out of your pocket and push the button. So very handy. Look at the grip, beautiful style. I like the whole idea how it looks. So we actually test this out, and my dog hasn't been barking since. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy this video. We have the light, different levels, the sonics in the front, light in the back, and you can lock in case you wanna keep the settings the same. So we're gonna turn it off, hold the button down, it turns off.